In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in Vantage. Leverage controls how much market exposure you can take with the funds in your trading account. A higher leverage ratio, like 1/500, lowers the margin required to open trades but also magnifies both gains and losses. A lower ratio, like 100, reduces risk exposure but requires more margin. With that in mind, let's walk through the main and most reliable way to adjust leverage using the Vantage Client Portal on desktop. Start by logging into your Vantage Client Portal with your account credentials. Once you're in, look for the Account section, then choose Live Account. This is where all your active trading accounts are listed. Find the specific trading account you want to adjust. Next to that account, you'll see a small gear icon. Click the gear icon to open the settings for that account. From the available options, select Change Leverage. You'll be shown a list of leverage ratios you can choose from, such as 1,100 or 1,500. Take a moment to consider the implications of your choice. Higher leverage can free up margin and allow you to open larger positions, but it also increases your exposure to rapid market moves. Lower leverage offers more conservative risk control, but will require more margin for each trade. Pick the ratio that aligns with your risk tolerance and your trading plan. After you've made your selection, click Save or Confirm to apply the change. You should see a confirmation on screen, and your chosen ratio will be reflected in your account settings. If you don't immediately see the update, give the page a quick refresh. There are a few very important rules to keep in mind. Your account usually needs to be funded before you can change leverage. If the option isn't available, make sure you have deposited funds. Also, leverage changes do not apply to open trades. Any positions that are already running will keep their original margin parameters. The new leverage will apply only to trades you open after the change is confirmed. This means your risk profile for existing positions stays exactly the same, and only new orders will reflect the updated ratio. To recap the flow, log into the client portal, go to Account and then Live Account, find your trading account, click the gear icon, choose Change Leverage, select your preferred ratio, and hit Save or Confirm. Take a moment to double-check your choice, understand the margin impact, and you'll be set with the leverage that best suits your strategy.